Bonjour classe! Today we're going to be talking about items and colors. Nos objectifs: review how to say I need. Review 10 item words, 5 are masculine and 5 are feminine, and learn how to say the color of items so you can be specific about what you need. Instead of just saying I need a book, how about I need a blue book? Question à choix multiple. We're going to start by reviewing our 10 items. How do you say these 10 different things en français? Here's the answer key, but notice that some words I put in blue and I used the word un. Some words I put in pink and I used the word une. All of those just translate to a or one in French, but why do I have those two different words? Well, the answer is that while in English items are called it, in French they are called he or she. French items have gender, and that extra E you were seeing back here just means that those items were feminine. I'm going to read these so that you can hear the pronunciation, and then we're going to keep going. All of our masculine items start with the word un. Un crayon, un stylo, un ordinateur, un livre, un portable. All of our feminine words start with une gomme, une chaise, une table, une feuille de papier, une porte. Un and une both mean a or one of something, but the extra E means it is a feminine item. Now let's say what we need. If you want to combine those items we just learned with the sentence I need, you can say what you need. Il me faut plus un or une, depending on if the item's masculine or feminine, plus the item name, plus the color means I need something. Let's see some examples. Il me faut un crayon orange. I need an orange pencil. Il me faut un livre bleu. I need a blue book. Now, feminine items will have extra E's that I highlighted in pink. Il me faut une gomme violette. I need a purple eraser. Il me faut une feuille de papier blanche. I need a white sheet of paper. Notice the number 1, the amount, and also the color word, which goes at the end, all had extra E's when I had feminine items. Now it's your turn. Let's use il me faut, I need, plus the item in color, and see, can you understand what he needs? Now it's your turn again. Can you translate these sentences on your own to say what you need? Okay, up till now, I have only had you asking for one item. Un crayon, one pencil. Un stylo, one pen. But what about when you want 2 or 3 or 4 or even more than that? You know how to say il me faut un stylo vert, for I need 1 green pen. What if it's 2 green pens? There's a little bit of a trick to it. Guys, in French, when you have more than one of an item, when it's plural, you add the letter S twice. 1 to the item, 1 to the color. Take a look at where I put those arrows. 2 green pens. Deux stylos verts. I put an S on stylo. I put an S on vert. Look all the way at the bottom. 2 pink erasers. Deux gommes roses. I put an S on gomme, just like you would go from eraser to erasers in English. But what we don't do in English is also put an S on the color word. That's something new for French. You can also tell the S's are silent. They just need to be there in writing. So one more time. 2 green pens, deux stylos verts. 2 pink erasers, deux gommes roses. Time to practice. Question à choix multiple. Choose the correct way to spell the color based on the amount of items. Keep in mind, if the item is feminine, it will have an E. If the item is plural, it will have an S. And if the item is feminine and plural, you'll need an ES. You may want to have your vocab sheet nearby so you know if these items are masculine or feminine. All you need is your eyeballs and the ability to count to 2 to know if they're plural. All right, let's put it all together. I've made a bunch of il me faut questions. The only words missing are the item and the color. It'll be your job to type in the correct spelling of the color. Remember, if it's a feminine item, add E. If it's more than one of the item, add S. If it's more than one feminine item, it needs ES. Let's sum it all up, guys. En conclusion, French items can be masculine, which means they start with un, or feminine, une. This just has to be memorized. You just have to memorize which items are masculine and which are feminine. Feminine items have an extra E on the number, becomes une, and also on the color. Vert would be verte. Last but not least, our newest rule, when plural, you add an S to the item and also the color. Vert becomes vert with an S. You can even see that on the pictures to the side. Whenever I have more than one item, the colors have an S too. And of course, il me faut means I need. Il me faut un stylo vert, il me faut une gomme verte, etc., etc. That's all I've got for you guys today. You may turn in this assignment. À bientôt.